This is where we learn all things Procreate, coloring pages, Pinterest, digital planning, and decor. Hey, what's up, Whoop Pop? It's your girl, Miliana Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created my very own logo. Now, this is not a tutorial because, honey, I was working on this logo for days. I would say like 3 days. So, I actually wanted someone else to do my logo because I'm like, I'm not really a logo maker. But you know what? If you put your mind to it, honey, you can do anything. Okay, and this logo turned out fire, baby. So, anywho, this program is Procreate. This is the program that I use to create my mock-ups, my illustrations, of course, and I've used this to do this logo, guys. So right now I am basically tracing over these lines in this laptop that I'm making to go with my logo. So I didn't just want a regular text logo. I'm like, okay, I kind of wanted to still be some illustration in there so that people know that I do illustrations as well and that these are digital products with the Apple Pencil. And of course, I make YouTube intros and graphics for YouTube. So over the course of this video, you will see the changes in my logo from where I started to where it ended, and I love how it turned out. So it's a lot of trial and error, and just I'm using the drawing guide grid to align things to look, just to look aligned, aligned by design. Make sure you get my coloring book, Aligned by Design. Affirmations for Affirmations coloring book for entrepreneurial spirits, encouraging women to get back to their wants, needs, and desires, honey. So I'll be sure to feature that as well. Please do follow me on Instagram at Emiliana_design. So it's spelled exactly how you see here, but just an underscore in between the two words. And yeah, that's where you guys will know what I'm doing, know what I'm uploading, and then also when I'm going to be launching my shop. But the coloring book, the physical form of the coloring book, is already available on Amazon for you guys. So yeah, I'm just like rambling on as you guys see what I'm doing here. I'm just adjusting like the circle to make sure I have like the words in the center of the circle. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going around the text with my mint blue color to go around Emiliana. Oh, just in case you guys didn't know what Emiliana is. Okay, so my name is Yana. And so I'm like, okay, so my YouTube channel is going to be my YouTube channel is going to be about like designing things, right? And I've always kind of wanted to make a design YouTube channel for like the longest of time, but I'm actually finally doing it because this is where I am in life. You know what I'm saying? But anywho, Emiliana basically means a million designs, but I put Yana in there because I am Yana, so it's Emiliana Designs. So anywho, you guys see that I have switched over the pencil over to the left side instead of the right, and then I moved the laptop on the left side over to the right. And then I decided to put in one of my illustrations from my coloring book inside of here as well in my logo. And then that is actually a digital sticker that I have made along with my coloring pages, because in my shop that I'm anticipating on creating, I'm going to be selling digital coloring sheets, separate individual coloring sheets from the coloring book, and then along with digital stickers that are illustrations in the coloring book as well. So here I was trying to figure out, which color I wanted to use. I still had to keep the colors in my color scheme. Y'all know my colors are pink, purple, and blue. OMG, salute, get your life. Bounce up. Hit the scene and we turn up. Those are my favorite colors. And then if you guys ever watch my main channel, which is Sincerely Yana, you guys will see that the room that I record in is purple, pink, and blue. So yeah. Anywho, besides that, I have used the artistic brush to make this like splatter paint or whatnot around my logo. And I was just like, this looks so good. And you know what's so funny? Like, I looked at my logo after the fact, and I was like, you know what? This looks like the world. It's so crazy. It's like you're designing the world. A million of designs around the world. Like, oh my god. Like, this logo is so fucking cute. Excuse me. This logo is so effing cute. But anywho, I just was twirling it so I could make the rim of the circle pink all over. So we're going to be wrapping up this logo here. I'm just zooming on it to see if I see any imperfections and correcting them. If you guys have any questions or anything you want to know how to design when it comes to content, when it comes to business, when it comes to YouTube, anything digital design, please leave it in the comment section below and request something, because I need some suggestions from y'all. I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear some feedback, all that good stuff. If you know anybody who needs a YouTube intro, likes digital planning, likes digital stickers, all of that, please be sure to share this video with them, or just share them my Instagram, which is Emiliana_designs. And then right here, I am turning the background transparent, or using no background at all. And then I am going to the gallery, clicking on share, saving the image. And that, honey, is the logo design. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all in my next one. It's your girl, Emiliana Designs.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything, get ready for transformation. I love that.